that guy, me don't personally post your husband. No, nah, but me they dare you to post my own. Bloggers, I bet when I carry this part, me they dare you. Also they post my husband. I dare you. Your husband picking according to you now 20-something years, which means he did this TikTok. I beg, post my husband for your platform. Make I screw. See and say now you post my husband. Try him if they born you where. Put on this time now they dare you. Make me ask police February and March which one they see. Post them. I they dare you. You know Chris? Post them.
I don't know. Mama T, wait. See, may they let this matter die. Not be the start and say person go marriage no work. They go marry another person or person come marry person husband. Not be the starter. No, not on the because we dey Europe or we dey TikTok we come the form sent. Back home, some of our fathers married 3 wives, 5 wives. Some of our mothers don't feel born for another place, come marry another man. Don't stop all these things when they do for TikTok. Waiting now, every day. You know, good. Who better pass it on the who better pass it on this Europe? If we say more country talker.
This time, na me and the man. I bet when I me tell her if he sorts my husband in the morning, I will call he sort our own husband in the afternoon. Now so it go be the thing that if you go check the whole saga, now your husband every different person inside. You know understand? If you do your calculation where you'll say now your husband, Sylvester Wadia, now be different person inside our saga. But if you carry my go meet my husband, me go drag your husband. You know as I do as usual. I go drag and con lege. I go walloy blockers. It could come like say me if you born for this investor one day. The way I'll take Woloram or Google the Jean Mogun. You don't know. They play.
Who better pass it further? All of una want nyash open for ground. Now they climb up, come they insult person because una get Wi-Fi.
Now you started the born for man.
As a part don't praise the top plus now let them listen to the woman. They go know where you for settle the issue. You go know where if a part don't praise won't go beg that woman husband. Make that woman husband call his wife enter house. Make them settle this issue amicably. This one
me become a man say me become tell mommy to see me dress.
Not good.
My question, no really stop the wife. Leave this woman alone. Leave this woman alone.
See comment section, woman when the husband have, una they call her on low show, una they insult her. The woman say he not disturb the woman for husband ass. He say not disturb. If person feel come 1,000 plots is washing, and the woman is saying it that she's not stopping this woman from that marriage. She's not disturbing her. So what do you people want again?
Nothing.
Won't stop. Wanna talk to that woman. Wanna find people. Make they go talk to that woman husband. Make the woman husband talk to the woman. You know, good. We all are brothers and sisters, though. I make a polyberie. I gonna pano. You understand? You know, good. Make them know us. We beneath. Make them know us for better. Not be every time saga for TikTok. This TikTok.
Thank you. So, I said, now, good evening. Hello,
Good evening, sir.
I want to.
Yeah.
No, I'm not free.
No.
Brother, please. Bros.
Okay.
Mrs. Beck Kleinberg.
Oh, yeah. I want to go down.
Okay.
Mrs.
So, as you go down, the next person, or you continue.
Oh, now, good evening. Don't press you.
Not see the same of gift now. Make my sister wait. One thousand people, I obviously say no common rules. We not see rules.
Mrs. Benny.
But we promoted platform in our very important issue with the talk. So this matter they ground. Nobody feels settle this.
Now you want concert a winner. Nah, this one me your play today. If Mrs. Ben, you reach there. He not go. This one the place on a 40 minutes, now 20 minutes.
People basically for enter this matter before 1 month, 1 week or some days now. The thing go quench. Common rules for marriage.
Yeah, when they are like the Christian, there is a violent Christian will be up with a right so a family will get the lad. I go use them so ye tomorrow. This thing need to stop it.
you need to stop us where you don't first start. Eloveti or Kasunea, you don't first start. You go come visionne. What do you want to do where you never do before? For 13 years now. What do you want to do today now according to you? Where you not do 13 years ago? You don't carry egg go junction. You don't go break egg. Go carry candle. Carry granite oil. Carry red oil. Put on top egg. You don't carry the map picture. Go give Curtis for Bini. You get what you never do. When you want to do now, one of us will come there. We'll come and say, whoa, you don't do amo. Everybody go there. Even you when you want keep person, you know that. You're there now. You want hold the word forever. The thing is no. Which one be as if your name? Me get sister-in-law, I be people in the way use.
You was for ye,
Please. Bros, just maternity go.
Thank you, the fellows, Rose. Now, thank you.
Maternity go Nigeria for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
She don't do that video. Where a no game matter apple. Mommy Titi, let's be honest and say the truth. When she dey analyze no game matter, she can't tell say she not do what no get wife do so.
No, thank you.
When make the con talk say what she do, all those kind thing. She throw mat give a gebo when she dey analyze no get wife matter. Mommy Titi, I watch her for her live video. When she did live video,
she want analyze Mommy Nora. Now he say no, he go must add me join. He go must add me.
Watch her when she did live video.
Okay, that time,
she throw mat. She did Nigeria. She not do live video.
Throw mat to my father before she do Nigeria.
Mama,
okay,
that time.
Number two, okay, not what you get as experience, you take advise people with their around.
Then why me could they use my own as experience? You could they cry. Elevate who they beat you now. If you feel use your faith marriage, your faith experience of banana they give woman belle, you feel to do example. Why not use my own to do example? Say if you collect person your husband, when no grip for they cry yo, even 2 AM they will do live video for you. Why not go fit talk my own? If you go fit talk, use your own do advice for manora. Why me no go fit use my own advice? You guys say if you want snatch man, snatch better man no go they snatch banana man. Why me no go confuse my do don't please don't ask you that one. Why me no go confuse my do example when they beat you now they tear your pants. They tear your pants where rich people so top and jeans. Who could they beat you now? Why are you crying? Has ever make any video calling your name? No, not be my analysis you they cry for now. So if you feel analyze using your past as an example, why me not go use my present to do example for anybody? No fear. Why? I they wait for you. Make I see picture. Say now you sit down. You come post my husband. I they wait.
I know. Then they talk. So who bring the matter come? Then they say who bring her come. Now they try to talk. Say now you start her because she was in Nigeria for 3 weeks. No live video. So that when you they analyze a no game matter.
No game wife make us agami. Are you aware of that?
Bros, please. You want no bring the matter come out?
Are you aware of that?
So. Mommy Titi now make sure this woman name for live video when she did Nigeria, she was not screaming on live stream. She made sure her husband name. There is no woman.
He said, "I mean, no the wife, me no the wife, consagra. Fellow Nigeria, muna mi share to Mommy Nora o. Mommy Nora back come priceless where you do o. Fellow Nigeria, muna come o. They say na me tell woman we don't born for children, adults, woman we bread they work. Say na me tell them say make it the cause or the saga person o. You know who can't tell you may you they analyze Mommy Nora? If na me tell Mommy Nora say make it consaga you. Who can't tell you may you carry you win a rest sit down for chair they mess put they analyze husband and wife way better pass you. They analyze woman way better pass you. Woman way no share toto for man way prick na banana. Woman way no born for different men. Woman way no buy paper for a pikin. Woman way no suffer with man. He can't see God they cheat on the man, lose guard the man for small girl like me. If you feel sit down for your chair, they analyze person when not near you. So who can't tell you now? If na me tell Mommy Nora say make you come saga you, who can't tell you make you come analyze Mommy Nora? Fellow Nigeria, who can't tell you?
Mommy Titi.
There's no right. There's no woman who will sit down and see somebody is not your husband. She will not retaliate.
Mommy,
you agree me reach your tone pressures. Not be person they talk to. Take it easy. You know what I'm Wa vient tourner. Voilà, wa vient tourner na. Dit mais avec mon détourné na avec mes mais ya que dit oui pas. Wa vient ya tourner.
Eme so ki an gbo Christian. Eme so
Any woman we don't do adulterous, we don't cheat on the husband before. Now you go kill Timothy Wadia, which is your now speaking where you put for us. Timothy Wadia, what of you? Now the Timothy me the pity for his side. For the first time where they saw and I be this one so because I saw the saga they go. The man now he not do me anything. Una de see am. Timothy do me anything? No. You don't see my husband for live video before he sit down. They say na love etik be matter na hold on. No. Timothy no verse. You no look where. When I they talk say before you marry go mother, marry the one we don't move on. Una they say why you go they talk like that? See amo Timothy or Google they meet you now. Now the Osunde where you put for us. Osunde where you there in house now they put you for this one now. Small picking. Your picking now 22 according to her. How many years she just know me? 4 years. But if I they fiang boo you now. This woman question now, she know my husband though. So nothing really this up. If me they fiang good Timothy now, people go know why they fiang buram. If you insult my husband, there is nobody that will come out and say, even if you insult your husband, you're not supposed to insult her husband now. Oh, go on, Bera. Mama, I just have something to tell you. Ah, okay, you send request, make I check. You know send request, where you want for talk this, I don't understand.
so ki an gbo e mo pa ye sinu elele. No ba mo la moto. O ma na ona wu. O ma na wu, ma na ona wu re Nigeria, o ma na
Please double. Mama,
O2, mas dá tele para domo, wa tele O2.
okay. 002 double.
I want to command those people.
No, this people are good. They like. One don't like. One of the cost
People be fit to use this way for Papa trading now. Mommy, this way for us.
If I bless na me
Then they ask her for yes, say you use egg to swear for your children, Papa. He said, "And so I lie you. Love it, bear. Come out, come swear. Okay, no swear. Carry Bible. Come swear for your life. Say you no carry egg. Go Joshua. Go swear for the father of your supposed children. Come swear, put. Where you go the advice for me, not and say, why you go they swear for your husband? Come swear, put. Or more than. Miri say WhatsApp. My WhatsApp, this is on my bio.
I did married. Now so she lie. They don't have sold the lady.
Wait, you don't use egg this way for the man.
Yeah, how? Everybody
And
knows.
he said this woman get my. You know, fit admit what you talk for the priest platform. You know, fit admit her. As a dog where you be say, it's here born boy day because I the verse say he throw away me. Now make her, you know, fit agree to her. You know, fit. Justice for.
If I won't do my prayer like this, I will come and do prayer outside. She said, I wear I say I go swear egg for her husband. I always do prayer outside. I even do one for live video. I did live video. I don't even own egg. But even I get now, me I just talk and make you hear. Brother, not be only egg, I'll take the swear for Christian now. I go to use my head, they swear for her.
That your head, double amigo. Oh God. You know, the juju way it go really work if you use your head though. I swear, because that your head there, it be like waiting they mad for, waiting they mode for native doctor ask, it go work. Without your face, we don't see quen, it go really work. I swear it go work. You know go to what time it go work. If you carry your head now, give that go to make it jammer, it go work. It too work, my sister. Try am. It too work.
Anywhere where I go, anything where they around, I go say me the
Your wig is so beautiful. Thank you, sis.
ask Christian give up question. Then my late mother ask some question. What I for?
Even the Christian about mama not late. If mama don't ask you question, say why you leave your pikin go to sleep with another man. In your mama where they grave, he don't late. The difference where they are not be saying now you kill your mama. The man in question not kill mama. He not shock you say you not suck your mama breast or not bije. He don't shock you. Head where they kill mama, he not shock you. He not shock you, fake pastor, don't mind now.
Follow and back. Then my late father.
She go swear Ogun for money, go preach for night. In the morning, go swear Ogun. He go swear Ogun, he go preach for night. No fian wu.
Question what I follow and back. If not the food when me give her, or when they in the half dead, half human being, when me take revive as man, whether I take do and bad.
Why you go there revive what you know create? Why you go there revive what you know create? Igwe ogbe. Why you go the reverb what you no create? If not be your poor. I know see that time your mates now go don't get boyfriend. As you see dead body, now you wake them up. Now you wake dead body up, say dead body wake oh. You don't tell you know they do a showcasing lifestyle anymore. You don't tell you know they do one. As you see dead body, now you wake up. So family must sleep with you. Make it be say not be the one where they pay you money for Chateau Rouge. I say Chateau Rouge for Agadez. I what they call them for Libya. Oh, what did they make this in the comments? So family cannot be that one. I'm on a bien logé.
Also, mommy, I remember when we post here TikTok, ni only man say na ya mo we.
Oh, they don't get what they want to talk.
Yeah. Put the leg most when I treat the talk.
I want to put on. You know say this thing never reach to open camera. If they no open camera, they want to put on.
No, you know if you put camera, you put our picture now. As you did this, you probably not be picture one, but not video.
Okay, me I cannot go back.
Alright. I don't know the kind of situation where they did that kind of thing. Even if you even leave, I get where you reach, you stop and say, okay, it's okay. It's okay because they already born children for you.
Rather when they wash Pekus water till they make pandayan for husband. When are they play them?
If it's in now if you wash for na baby papa. Where did you get your wig from? Now your wig the entire my eye. Now PC coil, I think 26 inches or 28 inches. Where for buy? I know they do advert for those people again.
When we call it, I want you to go to sister. Oh my dear, we could wait to sister. Oh my dear,
do mommy titi. Do Christian.
Say they wash Pekus water to give up for my dad.
Then if you let me say so now carry Maria account she not fit do me anything.
They're not born you.
She know you.
You guy. People where are not.
Hello.
They're not.
I said she know you.
Am I bien?
Yes now.
Okay, that make you know everything they play there. I be in their house.
Yeah, so that stuff, man.
Pay you for the story. Now me converse mommy titi like a boy don't knock my you mommy la wo you so boy any out.
You guy.
Vienna ya yewu ogwa ona do aya me you know na ba we obome ya me o. Yi we obome o.
This lady tell talk that means no. They say
Don't please say agbo we o sa kweku. O sa ba mo so no. O sa ba no Emi ni wo ne ma na do o ma emi ni wo ne ma dame because he be me. It's all about we say. Inye e mo make nesi o ma say. But bring it this girl. I go no man if you okay if you talk again akesaga. Before you talk about o to talk again asaga me before
You know, you see why God know the answer some people prayer now because of say they no fit talk truth for the life when they come. It be like say the reason swear for they say as you call this life so no talk truth oh. No talk truth. The day when you talk truth, you die. The day when you go talk truth, you go die. The priest never fit tell us, so yeah, send us the evidence. Don't priest, you can never be a no gay. If they no gay, but they don't ask of evidence, you go call proof, Joe, you go say evidence of proof. You know, if you ask you for that, you say, You for us, you say, madam, go and bring it. You when you want to go court, you don't get evidence. The evidence, you don't fit give a robot, you don't fit give people when help you fight.
You go join the guests that
you go join the girl the saga your own children self. Even my present husband. You know I met and don't carry a picture come out for social media. What did the man do? You do bad by marrying me with my children, like having me, having the children.
The man marry you with your children. That's even if you give your children belly and I not go too hard like that because he marry you and your children. Very simple, very classic.
That make you serious on this matter. You should say this way.
No, please, with all due respect, not try that thing again. I used to beg you. Make you serious for the matter. I'm not understand. You see any matter from my hand. I used to beg you. When I solicit for her, make you know they cry again. Because I don't know who they beat them.
Brother, the thing they disturb you now, they affect your husband now.
You go give all the old blood.
Brother, you must see that man. This woman,
Christian, you win chair. My
husband go stay wheelchair, of course, because he go old. Yes, for this country, person go old to sit down for wheelchair. That's what they do. Everybody they be nurse, emergency nurse everywhere. Am I right? So if you are telling me my husband go stay wheelchair, I will say amen to it. A very loud amen. Say yes, my husband go stay wheelchair and I me go roll am. A very loud amen. Say my husband will live to the age when he go test sit down for wheelchair. But you see your husband, accident go kill him. Nothing concern wheelchair. Or timely death now go kill your own husband. My own go stay wheelchair. Amen. I agree to that. This one when me tell your husband, now come say amen put. Oh yeah, now come and say amen. Come and say amen to it. You cannot go give them who don't pray, don't saga away, don't die. If a pie no they talk, I don't hear. Now who I be gonna shift. I just decide to come analyze. No be say I don't feel given a deaf ear. I'm gonna see the craze, the one that they craze before. I can do it. I've not be doing it. I can do it. So who you I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't understand.
Baby mama, the facts. You they happy, the thing they sweet you. Oh guys, not a good idea. I must advise you. Your own mama to seize your wife where they are. There are so many topics your wife need to do. Make it leave mommy Titi alone. Now the so mommy Titi, if you see say he don't still leave you alone, may you still leave her alone. Don't let anybody push you.
So you know say that they push him. Now some people now go they beg make you leave a day. The day when children don't they fuck, when she's supposed to look, you go say, I beg anything my children they see me do now, they want to do. Let me maintain my steez. Enough it do. Now me whether they call life. Now me where life, my life just they start so. Now me you call the beg me leave the day. The day where be say our BP level don't match up.
Mommy Titi, if you don't see if you try now, come see your husband now, come talk us. May they leave you alone, more than leave you.
Don't please, without due respect, where you want to see my husband? Except say you want hang the picture the way they hang am as usual. And my husband no they see him. The man when me married to, she said she know. Now why did they pay her be that? He know they see him. You know they see him. So there is no way you are seeing my husband. Eh? Oh Jogumua, my own husband. Ask her now. Ask her 2023 when I
Mommy Titi, you ready to leave her alone?
He feel him.
I even when I even did my video, if they want sometimes they won't bring a matter, I'll say I beg. I don't want me to talk a matter for you. I don't want it. Why I not go feel live and what it concern her. You don't drag me like me worry agbona me mommy dig be my video. I don't even care. Even for Facebook, but if she just see me, oh my God, it might be the way. I don't know what I do. Honestly, to God, that's why that day I see me will talk one-on-one for party. May we talk one-on-one. I won't know what it did out your mind because the last time I checked, I don't do you anything. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. I don't know. I don't even know where I won't start the matter from. Or the matter, it don't come because something else. Imagine now you can do what you do. Now me supposed to they cry, they drag them. I don't know if this if now me they look at my own way. Now me supposed to drag them say, hey, Oga, you must take care of your children. We must share them. We must do parenting. Did I ask for it? No. Did I want it? No. Then he said no. The girl said no. I said okay. Una said no. I can do it. And by the grace of God, I don't do it.
You not tell them that help you to take care of your children. So you not have any money, anything.
I know. So now they carry their self go me government. Now government say okay now. Now I no answer. I no even donation. My brother, my donation man now. No be say na juju. They not do
say you can't go court. They go say me pay 30,000 give you now.
Now just set a carry and go court. If me have anything where they take do bad, where they want to punish me, if they turn against them. If they turn against them, this man not go immigration.
This man where they talk now, I wish he know say my husband don't know whether she dey in existence. I swear to God, what did she they do for no? She for no they do am. I wish she don't know say my husband don't know whether she they exist. Both she and what pass her life come. If to say she know say the man when me marry, don't know whether she they exist. All this thing she for no they do am. I just they give you visibility. Make people tell know you say you be ashawo. If not, I feel give you deaf ear. You go cry. You go cry me river, cry me blood. I'm not going to answer you. And you know what that means. But I just want to make people know you. Should be na popularity you define. Should be one say I should be. I just want to make people know you. At least I can do that for you. I collect your husband. I know if you just say make you just dey frustrated like that. I can still do it for you. Not be visibility you
So
define.
they say, you get children for year, and then last I never even get paper self. You get children, you won't come collect the children. Let me send birth certificate and school
The
certificate.
same person will give person paper for Italy say he can't conjure me never even get paper. Una de year. He can't conjure me he never even get paper. My husband called this country 2017. All of a sudden, as my husband called 2017, na matter na my husband. My husband called the work out the government has to go. Hey, wo at the farm I thought I will also picky where they say banana, my prick na banana, I know the
Certificate can't give her. Picking where you don't know how to register for primary school. You were not there. A lot of things. I know the minor. If you pass, I just as an alien letter. If they bring and go sign her, my own signer, no. If they come visit, no. If they buy something, no. If they call, them, no. At the end, I will say they are always give me saga, bully me on social media.
On social media.
Now that I get now then they drag me. The letter come, they say no one pay. They give us
Okay. Nancy Wood, unmute yourself.
Big woman.
Nancy Wood,
Am I swear, don't they shout a big woman. You they look for sympathy. Now the right platform you go, they go really sympathize with you. I swear. Not be sympathy they find, they will really sympathize with you. Oh my dear co-wife. Don't worry, they will sympathize with you. The only woman who don't marry two husbands for the same time, the same year, the same minutes. The only woman who be say as they so they bear two son name. Uwadia and Igebo. The only woman when not move on after 13 years. The only woman when nobody they beat, but still now you they cry. The only one get big nyash, big breast, big belly, still now small people don't get nyash and breast, collect your husband wake you they cry. The only woman when no the man not good though, but they see they explain the man for 13 years. Awa salo. They see they talk about the man they go. 13 years don't meet you. 13 years don't meet you.
unmute yourself. We're not at the top.
I don't know. Oh, two. Oh, two, come on.
Make her fast what these people come out. I don't really need them.
Because they say the man has boy to Mommy 3D. Oh, I get he cannot talk to.
All those are made they go no big gog. That single mother association where and they find way for to say.
God bless you. So, next, unmute yourself and talk.
He say no, they go the beggar. Say no verse. I know the truth.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Where no they for say I know the truth, but I no want talk am. I don't sure want see where. You to say I know for hold that part very, very important because that part I get interest. Say pa can go meet and say I know say what happen. I know
Then the man I could push mommy 3D to me, the saga this woman, me not can know. For my mind, that this is not that man they push mommy 3D.
the same way it be like say now your wife now they send you say open platform they talk winner. Now so it be my brother. Now so it be. Since I the fast forward down, I don't want to hear what you talk. Me, I don't come use that to insult you. Because you be person where be the whole high esteem. You know, you be blogger, you they analyze. They make nothing you they tell me where they reach where I did. I know say you they find you do, you know. I got you, bro.
Saga this woman.
If there is any miss when I fit talk to the man, let him know, say make him make.
I believe say mommy wrote that when I wrote that they call her. That one will start on that content.
Yes, sir. I beg you talk to Ram, just talk to Ram. If you feel be say.
So next.
Hello, you don't reach my tongue.
Please, guys, go out.
See you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay.
No, na
You keep good or you know keep good. Now that man holiday. Now she marry that.
And this one where they talk with you and no one no so.
Problem. That woman where they you show what I believe say that man prick no they work well.
You know not like
Because man where they fuck where they release
you are.
and they
You
find
keep good or you know.
if
woman with girls bars now they analyze prick.
I no go man. Even when they insult your children, I no go man. Really?
I no go
Even
marry
when they
for
try
me.
for their city, say they can't beat you for your city.
No, Mama T, there is Mama. Because you give her that leg.
Eh,
Stop. It's no longer making sense. Stop,
I
eh?
tell that say if the
Where
push
come
goes
down?
you see my husband, you see my present husband. Now, when I say now God gift,
But you did
You know,
disrespect
You
her.
dey see another person your husband when he give carry belle for now and God gift to her. She have every right to say, you see this my present husband, now God gift. But me no get right to talk say, you see this husband when I snatch, now God gift. Now let she get right to talk am. Pick me up, mama of truth. Okay, may I pick una up? Meanwhile, make una the talk, then make I use the opportunity. Send request now. Request just full here, but I shall not say most of them go don't expire.